Good morning, ma'am. Good morning po, classmates. I'm Miss Annabelle Mency Sadakan, currently taking up Master of Arts in Educational Management. So, yung title po ng research ko is all about challenges and coping strategies of Filipino teachers in intercultural communication at Sarasa Suite Samut School. Globalization has transformed schools into culturally diverse environment wherein teachers and learners are from different cultural backgrounds, social and linguistic.
Given their willingness or their consent to be part of your study. My question now is, if there will only be 2 or 3 participants, what will you do?
Uh,
You are saying that if they are willing only, what if they will not be willing? So they cannot continue your paper.
yes, ma'am.
Are the Filipino teachers challenged in intercultural communication, the fact that you are hired there to teach them about language?
Yes, ma'am. Like, yung mga gaps po or challenges po is like yung, parang yung na-experience po namin ngayon, ma'am, is yung language barrier, yung accent po nila.
Talaga ang dapat mong i-study, yung intercultural communication nila. Or perhaps you go another area that you study instead of the intercultural communication na much that you are just dealing unless your students are not Thailanders. Unless they are foreigners coming from UK, from Africa, from the different continents except Southeast Asia. Para makisabi natin that the teachers are having a challenge on their accent so that they can be understood by the learners coming from the Europe, coming from the US, coming from other countries.
Yes, ma'am.
So would you really do this study?
Yes, yes.
Or you change? For maybe I would go for Filipino teachers classroom on educational management. If you are a school head later on, Miss Sadako, in Charasas, you gave sa Samuttuan School, ano dapat kailangan mong tingnan as educational manager na malalaman ng bagong Filipino teacher na pupunta ka na magtuturo? Hindi lang sa school na yan, dito sa buong Thailand. You may be in the south, you may be in the middle, you may be in the top northern. Tapos ano ang tinuturuan mo? Ano ang tinuturuan ng
Kindergarten 1 po.
to?
Kindergarten 1 lang po kasi, ano, ma'am, advisor po kami, ma'am.
So kindergarten 1 lahat yung mga Filipino.
Yes. Hindi po hanggang, yung mga Filipino po is hanggang high school po yung tinuturo kasi. From kindergarten 1 to high school po.
From kinder 1 to high school.
Yes po. Yes
So
po.
yung mga expected na participants mo ay nagtuturo kinder 1 to high school.
Yes po, ma'am.
Then you go on the management practices. Management practices of Filipino teachers in teaching high students. Ano man ang
Yes.
kasi kung intercultural communication, I think it would be very limited in as much that you are just dealing with one nationality.
Yes.
Ikaw na Filipino, speaking with a Thailander. So, if you like to train or to study, wala ba kayong problema sa assessment? Wala ba kayong problema sa classroom management? Saan may problema sa assessment? Classroom management? Disciplinary methods? Pero difficult naman ang mga Thailanders.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano pa ang mga challenge na pwede? Pwede din dito yung instructional challenges. Okay, tayo, magaling na mag-English, magtuturo ko ng Patay, tuturuan mo sila ng English, medyo mababa ang kanilang English literacy. Ano yung mga challenges nila?
Yes, ma'am.
In what area mo pumasok? Pwede mong tingnan ang classroom management practices. Kasi kung hanggang high school yan, lalabas at lalabas na, pag sa kinder, ganito palang classroom management. Doon sa middle, ganito. Doon sa high school, ganito.
Yes, ma'am.
Tama na. Mas mayat ito. Kung yan.
Yeah, I would suggest na I will follow up on that. You focus on the instructional practices. Yung practices ng Filipino na nandun sa abroad, specifically in Thai community. Ano? So ano yung instructional practices but deal with the educational management. So, isang focus lang tayo instructional practices. Yan.
Yun lang.
So, instructional practices of
Filipino
Filipino
teachers.
Para-
In Sarasas na lang. In Sarasas, we had,
Yes, ma'am.
kasi yung instructional practices, lalabas na dyan, ang itatanong mo na dito is, meron na lalabas na dito ang classroom management, lalabas na dito ang assessment practices, and then lalabas na rin dito ang classroom, mga instructional challenges and practices na lang. Kaya, practices. Miss Annabelle,
Yes, po.
your question number 1 will be on instructional challenges.
Yes, ma'am.
Instructional practices. And then question number 2 will be instructional practices. Instructional challenges. Practices muna bago challenges. And then in your methodology, okay, this is the hindi ka naman experiences, it will be, kasi mag-set naman ng logical ka. Ako din naman, kung gusto mo ang tunon, nakalagay naman. In your participants later on, you describe all the participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, in the gathering procedure, how you gather the data. And then, sa instrument mo, I'm looking for how will you conduct the validation.
Yes, ma'am.
So your study will be instructional practices and challenges of Filipino teachers in Sarasas, Thailand.
Yes, ma'am.
As to your introduction, we gave already briefing on how to write the introduction. They will guide you also. Your advisor will also guide you.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright?
Yes.
Anything that you want to ask us? Anything that's not clear? Ay, sige. Ma'am Mirek will be talking about the expected output.
for expected output, di ba, nasulat ko na. I am proposing para hindi ka na mahirapan. Meron na tayong title dito na pinapropose. Teach high. Diba? Teaching excellence through adaptive and collaborative instructional practices in Thailand. Tagline mo, enhancing instruction, strengthening practice, sustaining excellence of Filipino teachers. Yan. To dwell on a professional development framework for enhancing instructional practices and teaching effectiveness among teachers in Thailand. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yun yung nalagay mo. Meaning, it will be a self-paced, it is a program, but it is a self-paced program. Okay? Alright. So, congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you,
See
ma'am.
you in the final presentation.
Thank you po, ma'am.